Hi everyone, this is Darthbriboy'S first toy review of his life. This is the Buzz Lightyear. You can see this here. The new iPod Nano. This is a Buzz Lightyear figure from say Toy Story 3 collection. It's just like all the other toys you get. You want to do the box, I just threw in here for the hell of it. It's been in my closet for a while. Anyway, that's enough of the box. On to the actual figure itself. Now this is a Toy Story 3 Buzz Lightyear figure. The laser, and multiple complaints about this figure. I think the toy itself, it doesn't do crap. Like, look at it. Like, there's a few imperfections on this specific model. You can see the purple glacier on it. The thing's green, like what? And there's no purple. Here, the Starkman logo's good. A little bit. It's got the buttons, and they don't work because this is just a little collector's toy thing. Laser, I think, doesn't do shit. Crap, like I said. It moves like this. Felt. It wasn't supposed to happen. Please don't leave negative comments. It's my first review. All it does is this, and this. Meant for little kids, since it's on the box. After the little kids would give a grab against this. And the back is very poorly detailed. And the legs aren't great at all. And the helmet is like a major disappointment that I had. I actually thought the helmet was gonna, naturally I knew this helmet was gonna close. Plastic, the detailing kind of, like I said, sucks. I would not recommend this figure. Got a drugstore. This is the boots. Sorry for a few little camera monitor effects. So, stand the hell up. There. Wouldn't stand. Anyway, this is a Darthbriboy. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Stay the hell up. Goodbye. Bye. Stay up. Darthbriboy'S toy review. Have a nice day. Please rate, comment, and subscribe to Random 9999. There's 6 9s in his name. There. And 1 0. And the Loving Freak Show, no spaces. And whatever. Just subscribe. Just go on my channel and subscribe to my subscribers or my friends on YouTube. Peace out. Peace out, homies.